Hello everybody. Another day with disassembly laptop. This time it's Toshiba Satellite C660D 102. Actually, this laptop is for disassembly, like I say. I already checked everything inside, all good. Just the battery, it's gone. So no point to check again. Let's start to work. Disconnect the battery. Memory door. I have my hard drive SSD inside because I already checked everything. Another laptop, I think, with socket for CPU, that's good. Optical drive. Oh boy, I forgot my disk inside, so I need to connect again just to power on to take a disk from the optical drive. Sorry about that. Wrong side. Yeah, it's here. Alright, so optical drive. Toshiba, it's easy to disassembly. It's very easy. I'm not big fan Toshiba, but for disassembly and repair they are very good. We have a screws on the corner. Always I start with the corners. I try to be very fast. For your check, another 1, 2 in this corner. Three, 4, opposite corner. Oh, you can't see this. Sorry about. Something like that. No. Much better. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next corner. 5, 6. Nothing in other one. And I start with the middle screws. 7, here 8, 9, and 10. So for your check, it's around 10 screws. 3, 6, 7, 8. No. Oh yeah, and the 14. Supposed to be 14. 3, 6, 7, 8, 11. Yeah, it's 14. Okay, we turn around. Oh, this model have this thingy, plastic thingy. I hope you can see. Just lift up. Careful, have a clips. Screws for keyboard. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And keyboard itself. Disconnect. Careful with connectors. Toshiba is not the best quality on that connectors. What we have here, what they try to hide for us. Bias battery. I find you. I find you. I just want to measure to know if I need to change or not. Actually, no now. No now. Alright, any hidden screws here? Yeah. 1, 2, and 3. Disconnect the Wi-Fi wire. Oops. Come on. Wi-Fi was checked and it's okay. Wi-Fi card. Disconnect the speakers. Careful with these plastic connectors. Very gentle. Not like me. Never hold from the wire. Good. What else? What else? Touchpad. Same story. Careful. This plastic, because it's old and was heat, they are very easy to break. Alright, it looks like everything is disconnected. Now I try to use the optical drive bay and just lift the palm rest up gentle. Few clips. Toshiba is not the best brand for quality of the plastic. Actually, it's one of the worst. Alright. Not too bad, not too bad. Let's disconnect the screen. Disconnected. Power button. I don't disconnect the power button, I take off from the button base. I have a few plastic. Yeah. That's it. Disconnect the fan cooler. Done. Something else is on the other side. So we have one screw for a motherboard here. One. Come on. And that's it, only one, of course. Cheap. Toshiba. Screws are expensive. To be safety, I prefer to take off the fan cooler. Done. Now, yes, of course I need to clean the radiator. Careful, we still have a wire, and it's about the power jack, power connector. I prefer to not disconnect yet. And the motherboard is out. I come back with the motherboard after I finish with the screen and all other. Alright. Oh, so much dust. Now I can take off the hinge from the bottom base. 1, 2 and 3 screws each. the speakers? Yeah, where is the speakers? Like I say, 3 screws. Oh, dust. Alright. Gentle lift. Oh, cable first. Wi-Fi wire. Yep. Black one on the other side. Come on. Toshiba, it's easy. Now lift up. Bottom base is done. Now for the screen we have plastic hinge in each corner. Screw are under this plastic thingy. Alright. They're sticky. Oopsie. Don't worry, they are my doggy. Four screws in the corners, on the corners. Look like this screen bezel, it's crack on this corner. So maybe we can save this part. Have a look how bad it is. Yeah, it's crack. I don't know, I'm so careful with this bezel because it's already gone. But I just want to show you how gentle and how... Yeah, it's gone now. This one is gone, was gone. Was broke before I start. So this one is not for, it's for the bin. Let me put somewhere. Now we have a classic screen panel. Yeah, it's fit with the hinge. Hinge on this side have only one screw. Economy, Toshiba economy, don't waste money. Enough one screw, and another one, actually two altogether. Now lift up. Disconnect the camera. Done. done. This part is good. Now the hinge. Jesus, they are very dirty. On the side where is the fan cooler. That's the hinge, right one. Now the left one. Really, Toshiba, it's very easy to disassembly and to change something. If you need a part to replace, you don't need to go to the shop or somewhere to fix. You can do it yourself. I need to clean this. Alright, this is the screen. I keep the cable because I want to test with the motherboard. That's the screen. Now motherboard back. All I need to do is to clean the radiator and change the thermal paste, clean the fan cooler, and that's it. I don't know. To keep this video on. Yeah. Good. Yeah, CPU is still in the socket. This thermal paste is look like a stone here. Sorry. Alright, I just got to clean these two things. I stopped video. I'm back. Now they are clean. Sometimes I need to put oil on the fan cooler. I use the oil, it's good. But now it's the fan is spinning well. All I need to clean is this thermal paste. And the thermal paste is like a stone here. Use the plastic things. Don't scratch the surface. I will change the thermal pad. Right. Shiny. Now the CPU. Just the contact surface. Don't need to be very clean. The contact surface, yeah. Need to be shiny. Perfect. almost perfect. All I want to know is, yeah, I need a thermal pad here. Come on. And thermal paste on the CPU. Not too much. That's more than enough. Just fit the radiator back. And that's it, guys. I do this video because it's good to know how to replace some parts. You save money, save time, because if you need to change, for example, this motherboard, I'm sure the shop don't have this motherboard on stock, or maybe have, but it's happened to don't have any models. There are so many models in this world, they can't keep all the models on stock, so they need to order as well. That's take time. You need to go there, you need to pay for that. If it's easy to change and safety, why not? Look, for Toshiba it's really easy. It's really easy. Now, if you want to put back, just reverse this video, all the steps, and that's it. Oh yeah. I suppose the speakers are here, yeah. So the speakers are fit on the palm rest. Yeah. That was only part missing. Speakers, and they are here. Guys, I think that's it. If you need any parts from this disassembly, you have a link on description with my eBay account, and you can find many parts from the disassembly. They are all genuine. They are all tested. Of course, they are second hand. I have a few scratch, but they are genuine. See you next one. Bye bye.